Did you know a $15,000 ring can change two lives forever? Marcus drove Uber 16 hours a day, 3 jobs, still behind on rent, eviction notice on his door. Then he found it in his back seat, a diamond wedding ring worth more than he made in 6 months. He could have sold it, fed his kids, saved his home. Instead, he spent his only day off playing detective on social media, scrolling through hundreds of profiles, cross-referencing locations, following digital breadcrumbs. Finally, he found her, Sarah, recently widowed, her husband's final gift before he passed. When Marcus returned it, Sarah broke down crying. She posted about his kindness online. The story exploded. $50,000 poured into a GoFundMe for Marcus's family. A car dealership owner offered him a management position, double his income, benefits, stability. Marcus said the hardest part wasn't finding the owner. It was the 3 seconds he held that ring, knowing it could solve everything. But keeping it would have cost him something priceless: his ability to look his children in the eye.